this is Annalisa from Creative Curious Learning and Living, and welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas Day 19. Today's video, it is a Tiny Tuesday hosted by Sunday Dawn over at The Helpful Home, and I will have her channel along with the playlist linked down below, of course. So today's video, we are going to tackle some laundry and get that folded and put away with the Christmas vibes in the background. I am just finishing up this laundry and the video will come to a close. Laundry is one of those things that never ends. Once I get on top of it, there's more laundry to be done, and I know that that is probably the case for lots of people. If it's not the laundry, it's the dishes. They just pile up and you gotta do them again. But know that you can get it done. And I hope that this gives you the motivation to tackle those tasks that never seem to end this week. I know that I have a lot of cleaning ahead of me for Christmas weekend, but just do a little bit here and there and give yourself grace as we come towards Christmas. And don't forget to check out Sunday Dawn's channel at The Helpful Home and the playlist for more cleaning motivation as we approach Christmas. We hope to inspire you and help you get to the tasks on your to-do list. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you join me here as I share a homeschool journey, cleaning motivation, home decor, sensory bins, and more. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.